Hey guys, I just want to do a quick video. It's not gonna be too long, really short. Guys, I'm out here with my, what we got here, my Tremor. All right, the 350, I'm sorry, Super Duty Ford. Guys, we just got hit with a nor'easter. And just for you guys out there want to know how it does in the weather, I'm going through 2 feet of snow, no problem, 4-wheel drive, high, using the drive mode, slippery or deep snow. It's taking me right through the snow with no problem. All right, of course I'm not driving like a fool. All right, this truck will still slide if you let it. And guys, utilizing my Baja lights up there, lighting up the path. Really love my truck. All right, especially in this type of weather, no problem. All right, I did have to dig it out a little bit because, as you know, when the plow comes through, they pile it up like close to 3 feet, 4 feet of, so I had to plow it out. But once I got it out, able to get through all of this with no problem. All right, so I just want to do a little quick, I guess, testimonial for the Ford Tremor 350. Again, short video, I'm not going to bore you. I have the LX XLT model. All right, definitely loving the truck. So guys, please consider like, subscribe, check out all the aftermarket parts I put on this truck. All right, they'll be listed below. Hey guys, just before I let you go, all right, let's take a little ride in the truck. Let's set it up. All right, forgive me, this is a raw cut, guys. All right, so I'm not gonna be all particular on this edit, but just a little informational. Let you guys see what I got going out there. Let me see if I can give some light on my face. All right, I'm sitting in the cab now. As you can see, the lights with the Baja. See my lights out with the Baja, very nice, lighting up everything. Got my headlights now on. What else I have going on? Also, what I'm going to utilize is my little hazard lights that's on the side mirrors. All right, this is also another feature I included or did an installation. It's definitely good for this type of weather when a lot of people are on the road, especially going to the back roads. See how it lights up here, flashing on it. Everybody know that you're coming through. All right, again, all these little hacks and aftermarket parts will be listed below. Check that out. So I got that utilized. Again, just for the people on the road, to let them know I'm coming through. There's enough lights on here, they should be able to see it. So let's take a little ride on the back roads and go through these snow dunes, have some fun. All right? Yeah, all right, let's do this. Again, just for you guys out there, one little information, little eye candy of the Super Duty. Having fun in snow. Let me show you guys when I'm driving. I want to let you see how it looks on my camera here. I don't know if you could tell right here. See the flashing of the lights? You can be able to tell. So that's a good look. That's for the only slow speeds. But again, it gives me an indication my lights are working. I can see. All right. Just going through, enjoying the truck. This is what it's all about, guys. Having a nice 4x4, you can just blow through all the snow and have some fun in it. Everybody's out here now. The storm finally passed through. People out here trying to clear up their snow. As you can see, I'm just having no problem blowing through all this snow. Again, being safe also. All right, I'm not acting like a fool. All right, but it's just having that confidence of this 4x4 high up. All right, able to pass through and just shoot through this. I don't know if you guys can tell, getting 2 feet, 3 feet high, snow drifts, no problem blowing through this. As you can see, there's like one big one right here. Just ate it all up. All right, but again, at the same time, guys, be careful with the truck. You don't want to hit a big old ice and damaging it. So this is just fresh snow, just fell down, and I'm able just to blow right through it with no problem. Enjoying myself. And then definitely enjoying this no limit. I believe it was the accessory I put on the side marker lights. Able to put it in strobe fashion. So again, going through these back roads, turning that strobe light on. Very nice feature for safety. Again, with the Baja lights just lighting up everything as I come through. Just enjoying it. Enjoying the truck. Going through all the snow with no problem. Alright guys, what I'm gonna do, which way I'm gonna go? Let's make a right here. Very nice. Enjoying this, very nice. Alright guys. I'm on one of our main roads here. Still quite a few inches of snow. They plowed a bunch of it off already, so but again, no problem with the Super Duty Tremor. Alright, but just also be careful, it does still slide, alright? So but the tires that's on here, and these are factory tires, no problem going through what I have to go through. Alright guys, so that's it. Again, a little information for you guys out there. Just want some eye candy of the Super Duty truck. I'm out here just having fun with it. Consider like, subscribe guys, and I'll check you on the next one. Later.